Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Levitt and the product I chose today was Jergen's Natural Glow Fake Tanner. How did Jergen start? Jergen started in 1882 in Cincinnati, Ohio. At first, it originally started as a soap company, as you see on the left right here, and it had shampoos and all different types of soaps. Then, as the product got more popular, in 1901, they started adding beauty care and cosmetics into it, and then they added Jergens lotion, as you see down below on the right. This is crazy that the product has been around for over 100 years and that, it is still super popular and it's getting so many sales and really shows how great of a product this is because it's been around for a long time. What is Jergens made of? Jergens is made of a few products: a mix of water, olive oil, beeswax, floral oils to keep your skin hydrated. The picture here is 4 different types of Jergens tanner. What is so great about Jergens? So the number one thing that's great about Jergens is that it's cost effective. You can get 7.5 ounces of a Jergens bottle for about $10.47. This is really good for price. When you look at other tanners at stores, they're usually $3 to $4 more expensive. And what's really nice is when you put on the Jergens, you don't get an orange tan, which is super kind to you because that's the goal, to look brown and not orange. Jergens is nationwide, so you can get it in the United States and Russia, all over the world, which is really nice because, everybody can use it. It's infused with collagen. This is really important, I think, because whether you're young or old, everyone needs collagen. It helps your skin look young, good, and healthy, which is an amazing result to have. It also has a range of options to pick from, so if you're trying to get tanner only a little bit or a lot, it works for almost every race out there. It makes your skin have a natural glow, so you look healthy and happy. It rejuvenates your skin and is a great way to feel and look that summer glow that everyone's trying to find this summer. And down below is a picture of a girl super happy using Jergens. Where can you find Jergens? So Jergens is available nationwide, as I said, and you can get it at Amazon, Target, Walmart, Rite Aid, CVS, Ulta, and Sephora, which is honestly amazing that it can be in so many different locations, which means you can honestly go to almost any store and really be able to find this product. It's on the shelves. How do you know what shade you should use? So the most important thing when trying to figure out what shade you are of Jergens is to look inside your inner arm, here your forearm, and see what your base is, what you're actually starting with. This is important because you can easily find on the back of the product of the Jergens what shade, if that's your natural base of what you're starting with, and how to slowly move up further and further for that darker bronze shade you're trying to achieve and look. And the picture of the right is different skin tones and the colors they use. What can Jergens prevent? So, when you do go outside to tan, there are so many harmful UV rays. It is unreal. When you really think about it, it can give you skin cancer, and that is a terrible thing to have that can lead to death, or you have to go and get it removed. And honestly, for a tan, I don't think it's worth it to get skin cancer. Honestly, it's a great preventative to getting skin cancer if you're trying to get brown is Jergens. It looks great on the skin. The picture down below is a girl that's super sad because unfortunately she got some spots and now has a little bit of skin cancer from the sun, and then it's the sun that equals dangerous UV rays with an X cross over it showing that the sun is bad. Why use Jergens? So do you work a 9 to 5 job? Do you have no time to go tanning? This happens to a lot of people out there. Like myself, sometimes I just can't even make it out there. And with Jergens, it helps you stay looking tan year round, which is a super hard goal to achieve if that's what you're wanting. Also, in places around the world, the atmosphere is cold and there is no sun. Like down below, you see a photo of a thermometer and it's showing that it's cold and chilly. And then it shows a girl that's sad and just wants to be a little tanner, look thinner, be happier and healthier. The photo on the right is a woman holding 2 bottles of Jergens, super happy, looks great, and I also included a house to show that she's still in her house even though she's not going outside to tan. The advantages of Jergens. So Jergens fake tan advantages are it's infused with collagen. As I said before, this is super good to make you look fit, happy, makes your skin look firm. It's super cost effective, it's easy to find, it has a range of options to pick from, and it's a great way to feel and look that summer glow. And down below is a picture of a little yellow like aura with a Jergens bottle and a happy sign and a few of them to show how great it truly is. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. I really hope that you try out Jergens and feel that summer glow and look happy and healthy and really can maintain that brown that you're looking for. I strongly recommend it, and I hope everybody has a great rest of the semester, and thank you so much for listening to my presentation. Bye!